ಒಂದಿಂದ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು MP6 ವರೆಗೂ ನಾನು ಇದೇ ಡಯಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಪ್ರೇರಣಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವರು ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಇವಾಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ MRP. That is my happy moment. Okay, don't laugh, happy moment. She called me once, sir, while Mullah sir was in charge. Sir, if you want to go to RI, please come. So, but I refused. Why? Because I was in under preparation. Okay, ನಾನು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ರೆಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ. But starting ಬಂದಾಗ ಏನಿತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ I used to hesitate for all things. To do activity, to come on the dais and to present a report, anchoring, whatever it may be. But that whole hesitation has been washed out up to MP6. This MP6 has given me a wonderful opportunity, and especially this MP6, what it means, I was appointed as English teacher, but yesterday I deal with social science in teaching. I lost the history connectivity when I got appointed as an English teacher. I never opened that book. Whenever I opened that book, I used to study for other exams only. Okay, and in team teaching, it provided me a wonderful opportunity to study and deal with SS again. That is my wonderful moment and happy moment of this MP6 man. And thanks for providing me that wonderful opportunity. And about MRPs, they all are very wonderful and dignitaries on the dais. They are very kind and humble. ಬಹಳ ಒಂದು ರೀತಿ ಶಾಂತ ಸ್ವಭಾವದವರು. ಯಾಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆಫೀಸರ್ ಸಪ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಅದೊಂದೇನೋ ಬೇರೆ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತೈತಿ. ಬಟ್ ವೆನ್ ಐ ಕೇಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಫಾರ್ MP1, ಅವಾಗ ನನ್ನ ತಲೆಯೊಳಗೆ ಏನೋ ಒಂಥರ ಬೇರೆ ಲೋಕದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು ಜಿರಿಗಾ ಸರ್ ಬಂದಾಗ. ವೆನ್ ಐ ಹರ್ಡ್ ದಟ್ ಜಿರಿಗಾ ಸರ್ ಸ್ಪೀಚ್ ಇನ್ MP1, the whole thought and imagination was totally wind up, sir. ಅದನ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್, ಅವಾಗ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಅಂತ ಸರ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಅದೇನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಹೋಲ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬೀನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಐ ಗಾಟ್ ಸಮ್ ಕರೇಜ್ and some new thoughts about MTech and about this diet and diet. Thank you very much.